Can artificial intelligence really help you make money with affiliate marketing in 2025? I let AI take full control. It picked my affiliate products, wrote my captions, and even suggested platforms. No bias, no hype, just data. This is how it went, and what you need to know before trying it. Some products completely flopped, but one generated 7 clicks and 2 sales under 24 hours. I had never even heard of it before. Now let me walk you through exactly what I did. Day 1, the setup. I used a free tool called ChatGPT and prompted it like this. Act as a digital marketing expert. Recommend affiliate product with high demand and low competition for beginners in 2025. It provided me with a list of tools, one for budgeting, one for AI productivity, and one fitness app. Then I asked, which of these is trending right now? It chose the AI productivity tool. Next, I grabbed an affiliate link and asked it to write a short review plus hook for social media. Day 2 to 4, testing the content. I posted the review on TikTok, Facebook group, Pinterest carousel pin using Canva, all with AI-generated copy. And guess what? TikTok didn't do good. However, on Pinterest, the AI-generated caption and clean visuals generated more clicks in 3 days than my last 5 pins combined. It said, unlock your brain in 3 minutes a day with this underrated tool, and people clicked. Day 5 to 7, second product and lesson. I let AI pick a second product, a fitness app, but the problem is that it had no much affiliate support, no visual, and the commission was low. This exposed something important. AI can help with ideas and strategy, but you must validate offers. Affiliate marketing still needs human judgment. Final results plus takeaway in 7 days is that I made 2 sales from the AI productivity tool, 150 views total from organic reach, but the time saved using AI was huge. I spent 70% less time creating content, and now I will keep using AI as my research assistant, not my CEO. AI is not meant to replace you, but to help you do tasks faster. If you want the exact prompt I used and the list of trending affiliate tools AI recommends right now, hit the like button and comment AI tool. I will reply with a doc. And don't forget to subscribe for more real experiments in affiliate marketing. Let's grow together. Thanks.